Hi and welcome to my channel, Paul's DIY Tools. My aim behind this channel is to carry out product reviews and to give my personal opinion on those tools that the everyday person such as myself would consider purchasing to carry out wholesale projects. So in saying that, let's move over to the workbench and see what product we have to look at today. Hi, so what we have today is the Galax Pro mini circular saw. Won't spend too much time in doing the usual unboxing kind of thing, but no. So what you should get in the package when you buy this tool is you'll have the two saw blades, the 24 tooth rough cut and the 60 tooth fine cut for wood, softwoods, hardwoods, etc. You'll have the vac hose, and you'll have your edge guide, quick charger and the battery. Now what I would like to mention about this product is when I was looking at buying this product, there were some comments on Amazon that the battery life wasn't too good on it. And then there were a couple of comments saying that they actually received the product with the 2 amp hour battery, but on Amazon it's there on the description that it's only coming with a 1.3 amp hour. Now as you can see on the box there, that mine did actually come with a 2 amp hour battery, so I haven't got any complaints there. That's not to say or guarantee that if you purchase this product that you will get the 2 amp hour battery, but it does seem to be that the company may have changed the battery they are supplying with the tool, but haven't changed the advert on the likes of Amazon. So in regards to the battery on this particular tool, I've had no issues whatsoever. The battery life has been fine, the cut has been really good, no complaints there. This blade obviously is an accessory that I've bought extra to the 2 you would normally get. Not that I have any complaints with these blades, it's just that I bought extra ones to go with the tool. I've carried out some substantial work with this tool, i.e. decking, skirting boards. Again, I've had no issues whatsoever. It feels really substantial in the hand. You've got your laser there, your height adjustment here for the blade. You're probably looking at 42 to 43 mil cut depth at the max, and obviously you can drop that down to millimeters to whatever you need to be cutting. What I would suggest is with this tool is if you're cutting, let's have a look, a piece of decking is to have the blade set just deeper. Don't have the blade out fully if you don't need it to be, i.e. if you're cutting something like this bit of soft pine, then just have the depth just slightly more than what you need. In regards to its performance, like I said, I've had no real issues with the blades or the sword itself. I suppose if there was one niggle with it is, i.e. going back to the decking board, in cutting the decking board what I did find was if you come across a knot it will drag the saw down, i.e. it will slow down. So all I could suggest is with that is when you're cutting decking or anything that you may have a knot in, is you just take your time. Okay, so give me a second, I'll set some wood up and I'll show you the performance of the saw on a few different variants of wood. Okay, here we go with a piece of decking. And like I say, you just take your time. Another piece of chipboard, no problem at all. And now some soft pine. Set the blade just where I need. No problem at all. Okay, and next some chipboard. Again, as I've said, just take your time. Okay, and next a piece of hard flooring. No problem at all. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Galax Pro mini circular saw. In my opinion, as I said at the beginning of this video, it's going to be my personal opinion, and for what I've needed it for and used it for, it's performed adequately well, and I'm quite happy with it. So hopefully this video will have helped, and I'll see you on the next one.